Got a bigger project than normal today. We don't just do cars, sometimes we do motor coaches. This one is actually going across country to do some advertising for a company called Gnosis, partnered with Goss RV over here, who rent these things, and from time to time we need to wrap one for advertising purposes. So this one will be a big project. Obviously, we got a lot of square footage, and from design to install to removal, which will be in California, we'll be handling the whole project.
Yeah.